Hello everyone, I am Jigyasu Chaurasia and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to draw a sketch of Samantha. She is very beautiful and very talented Indian actress. The size of my paper that I am using in this sketch is 6 inches by 4 inches. I am using black ballpoint pen for making sketch and engineering pencil and HB pencil for shading. If you like the video, then please subscribe and press the bell icon for the notification of upcoming videos.